Well, we're going to see some changes in the weather, things we hadn't seen lately.
Changes we like.
Well, and in fact, we like them a lot.
Yeah, we're looking forward to it.
After Friday night, Saturday night, last night, Sunday night, it's nice to have a quiet day weather-wise in terms of storms, and it looks like we're going to line up a couple of days like that. If you like today, we're going to do it again tomorrow. Look across the region. I've kind of tipped it at an angle here so you can see some of the precipitation going into Florida and coming down from the Tennessee Valley, but as I straighten it up, you get a better sense of that Florida precipitation and what this is here and through Nashville coming down. It will come down through Alabama and western Georgia. Not going to affect our weather at all. In fact, as high pressure builds in, we're actually going to be in pretty good shape. Look what FutureMax does. Has some cloudiness for tomorrow later in the day and maybe a shower south of town, but otherwise things look pretty quiet. Wednesday, again, kind of south of town, maybe a little shower band across the low country. Thursday actually now looks drier as we go into the day until later in the day when this starts to slide. So we've put a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms into Thursday's forecast. That all adds up to a couple of dry days indeed. 92 lower humidity, 92 quiet summer heat expected Wednesday. Then Thursday, perhaps a late day shower or thunderstorm, and temperatures only in the low 90s. Also in the tropics, we have another named storm. You may have missed this one. Gert formed over the weekend, still with 60-mile-an-hour winds. She's past Bermuda, which is right about there, and continues to track off to the north and east. Eventually will become an extratropical low up in the North Atlantic by Wednesday. That's not a worry for us in Georgia. We are watching, however, another area of disturbed weather right down here, crossing the lower Lesser Antilles and just a trough of low pressure. See how it spreads out as we get late in the sequence? It's actually an area of low pressure that the computer models are suggesting may hold together across the Caribbean into the Yucatan Peninsula. If that's the case, that's no worry for us either, so we'll watch that closely. High today, 94. Well, there's the record, 100. Didn't come near that, and we're over 5.5 inches below normal. We'd like to see some precipitation. 76 our current temperature, 83% the relative humidity. It's relatively low after our 94-degree high today. Pressure is currently steady. Temperatures cooling as we go into the evening. One of the neat things about drier air, it cools more quickly, and that's where we're down to our 77th, though still some 80s in coastal areas. Those 80s will eventually lower as well. In fact, check our updated evening forecast. Doppler Max 11 forecast, 68 now for an overnight low with a light west breeze. Lower 60s, far western counties are possible tomorrow. Lower humidities with lots of sunshine. So the 92 is still hot, but may feel a little more comfortable. And notice that east wind 5 to 8. That means cooler temperatures if you're on the islands. 71 tomorrow night, 92 for Wednesday. There's your couple of days. Thursday, 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms, and it looks like late in the day. Friday, 30% chance. Saturday, 30%. Sunday, 20. 30% chance on Monday. So we get the daily risk of showers and thunderstorms, but after a couple of day break, maybe it won't seem quite so bad. Temperatures will stay in the 70s. Brooklyn Peanut Festival coming up on Saturday for the weekend. Widely scattered afternoon showers and thunderstorms. Perhaps a better chance late in the day Saturday than Sunday. We'll need to fine-tune that forecast as we get closer to the weekend. And real quick, weather radios. We sold out in Rincon last week. We're working very hard to get that rescheduled. Radios are being restocked. We'll let you know all the details here on TV and online.
Thanks, John.
Well, it may look like just another